Hi everybody, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be speaking on sub-accounts and what they can do for your business. So the purpose of this video is basically to introduce sub-accounts to our subscribers and show you guys what really is possible with master accounts that manage sub-accounts and VAs, right? So what are master accounts? So master accounts are this new feature that we've brought into Fbmfox, and it's not going to be available for everybody because not everybody needs it. So it's going to be available on a per request basis. It's already in the software. You kind of just have to shoot us an email and we'll enable it for you in the backend. And what are master accounts? So basically, master accounts are the highest level of accounts that Fbmfox has to offer. What they can do is they can manage normal Fbmfox accounts that are below them that basically plug into the Fbmfox ecosystem. It's very modular. So you have a master account that can handle many sub accounts that are just normal Fbmfox accounts. And then those sub accounts then manage the VA accounts. So we have 3 levels of accounts that Fbmfox has to offer. So again, this is not for everybody. This is more so for the users that, have many accounts with us or plan on taking on clients below them. So this will really help users really expand their businesses if they choose to do so. The first thing I want to go over is the changes in the menu. So something you'll see immediately is you'll see a master account menu option. And if you click on that, you'll see a dashboard, products, orders, and sub accounts, right? So we'll go over every single one of those. And then you'll see another dashboard, products, bulk uploader, sellers. So all of these are just like those regular account options, right? The master account is a regular account in itself. And then it also has the ability to manage sub accounts outside of itself, right? So it's like 2 accounts in one. But we'll go over the master account menu options first, right? So master accounts can have sub accounts below them, right? So what exactly are sub accounts? If you click on the sub accounts, these are just a list of all the sub accounts that are below your master account. So if you shoot us an email, we can assign you sub accounts. Basically, those emails now become your accounts, and you really don't have to remember passwords or anything anymore because you can't see the full names and the emails of those accounts, but on your dashboard, you will be able to. But if you click this key icon, if I just click it, it says you will be accessing this account. So if I click on yes, access, it will log me into that sub account and I can manage things from that sub account, right? So, no need to manage so many passwords, so many spreadsheets in terms of account details. Fbmfox will kind of just do it for you. And you can go through each one of your accounts, log in, log out, log back into your master account. So that is a great feature, but it's not the best feature. We then have the dashboard section. So the dashboard section is very similar to the regular dashboard, but there is one major change. That is that all of these metrics, such as profits, graphs, the sync accuracy, the suppliers, and the automatic repricing log, is all a sum of all those sub accounts that you have, right? So I have 13 or 14 sub accounts in this master account. All of these numbers, such as the total products, my top supplier, all of that is from my sub accounts. It's just the sum of my sub accounts, right? And then if I click on this search feature right here, I can click on the search feature and I can actually type the email of the account that I want to pull up, such as what is their profits? What is their sync accuracy? What is their repricing log look like? I can just type in the email right there and click on search, and it will pull up the dashboard of that account for me right here, right? So that's super cool. Now, the next thing I want to discuss is the product section. So how has the product section changed for master accounts? Master accounts product sections are quite simple. You will see that there is a new column called sub account, which just has the first name and the last name and the email of the account that the products belong to, right? So you can check those out, you can sort them, you can filter them. It's a very high level view. It's a very management style view of things, right? And then again, all the metrics in the product section is a sum of all your sub accounts, right? So if I click on my orders section, again, every single order from every single sub account is pulled in here, and there's a new column called sub account, which lets me view every single order, right, from those sub accounts. And then on top of that, all of the metrics from all of my sub accounts are all here. So there's about 13 of them. And once again, I can sort through sub accounts and filter through sub accounts by clicking the search icon and typing in an email of my sub account and then clicking search. Same thing with the product section. I can once again search the email and then only find products from that email in my sub accounts. So all those things are very cool. There's changes to the dashboard, products, orders, everything's super cool. One of my favorite things that we've created for now is the randomly assigned feature, right? So we're going to have way more cool features that are coming into these master accounts along with normal accounts, right? We didn't forget about you guys, but let me go over the randomly assigned feature, right? What you can see here is in my master account, I have 0 products, right? I have 0 products in my master account, right? But in my sub accounts, I have a lot of products. So what I can actually do is upload products to my master account and then randomly and evenly disperse them to my sub accounts, right? So this is a super cool feature that I'm going to demo for you right now. So let's go ahead and do that through the bulk uploader. So once I'm in the bulk uploader, I'm just going to paste about 20 Amazon links in there, and I'm just going to click on upload, and I'm going to remove the product duplication, and I'm going to remove variations. I'm not going to list products that have variations, and we're just going to wait for this queue to upload and finish. So the number of products that were successfully uploaded were 15, and if I go into my product section for my account, you will see that there are 15 products here. Now, I don't really want to keep these products in my master account. I want to evenly disperse them to all of my sub accounts, right? So how do I do that? I can easily find every single one of my products by filtering them and then select every single product and then click on bulk actions and click on assign products. Once I click on assign products, I can click apply. And then here are a list of my sub accounts, right? So I'm just going to load every single one of my sub accounts. And if I want to assign all 15 products to one account, I can just select that account's name and email. You guys won't be able to see the names and emails because they're blurred out. But, you know, I can assign to selected users, or I can just assign to every single sub account, as you can see here. Once I click on that, it just selects all of them. And if I click on save changes, and watch this carefully, if I click on save changes, all of my products will now move over to those sub accounts. And now I have 0 products in this master account, right? So again, master account is its own account by itself. And then it's also sort of a manager account to every normal sub account that you have. So now all of those products, they are now in your sub accounts section, and you can find them right here. So, you know, what I did previously was I exported a list of lava lamps, and, you know, now these lava lamps are in my sub account product section, and here are the respective emails of those sub accounts. You can't see the emails because they're blurred out, but that is perhaps my favorite feature that is incredibly useful if you have many products and many accounts with us in Fbmfox. So how often will we add updates to master accounts? You know, just because we added master accounts doesn't mean we're not going to update normal accounts anymore, and vice versa. So we'll be adding master account updates and normal account updates on a regular basis, just like we were before. So you guys don't have to worry about that. And what about pricing for this feature? So master accounts will be priced based on a flat fee per account that they have below them. So, you know, if you have 100 accounts below your master account, you will be charged a flat fee, a very small flat fee. We have to do this because, you know, we've got employees to pay. We've got to build out these features. So, you know, I'd love to give it out for free, but there will be a flat fee per account that you have in the master account. This is an introductory video. We'll have more videos on this topic in the future. All of those things will be coming out in the future. So if you guys like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Please drop a comment down below with new feature requests or any problems you're having, and we will get to them eventually. Lastly, if you guys haven't started using Fbmfox yet, you guys haven't started the trial yet, I'm not sure what you guys are waiting for. Week by week, we're adding these amazing features, right? So go ahead and subscribe to Fbmfox. Start your free trial, link in the description below. 7 days free. You can cancel anytime if you don't like it. If maybe you don't want to sell in e-commerce anymore, you can cancel anytime and within those 7 days, and even after your subscription has started. So go ahead and do that, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.